Hey, what's going on? JD here. And today we are going to talk about Rapha's Repair Service. If you've watched this channel for a long time, you will have seen me unbox a lot of Rapha products. This is the first time I've used this service, and I just wanted to share exactly my experience as well as show you what came back as I unbox it. So I have a pair of core bib shorts. The chamois started to come apart as well as a lot of the stitching, so I decided instead of just throwing them out to utilize the repair service. I just went online. Rapha explained what exactly was going. They would take a look, and if they were repairable, repair them and send them back to me. So I shipped them out, and this is the result. All right, we got the package back. It was sent back via courier at no cost to us, which of course is great news. They sent it in a recyclable envelope here. Now, the original packaging that they sent it out in, I sent it back in. And if we flip this over, it's got like a little zip tie here. We can just pull across. I don't know how it's going to work with the plastic. It may or may not work. Well, it works good. And the great thing is you can open it up, pull out what's inside. Except they've actually glued this one shut, so we're going to have to tear it. My point prior to that point was that you can actually reseal these and send them off, so it's great. You can utilize the same envelope a few times. So here are our bib shorts. They just sent them in the bag themselves. Let's take a look. So I did have a few holes, as well as I had seams that were coming apart, as well as in the chamois here, it was starting to come apart from the rest of the material. So if we take a look and we go around, we can see that they have resewn this whole thing, which is awesome. That is awesome. You can see where we had some fraying there, and they've restitched that. They've restitched some areas. They've really kind of taken a good look at this. Let's go take a look at the outside. So I don't know how well you will see on camera. That's just regular wear. Some scratching there, and that is to be expected. If we look underneath where the pad is, we can see that the new stitching has done really well. It is back on there. Now the holes, I had holes on the inside here, and if we take a close look, you can see exactly where they've restitched and reinforced the seams, so that hole is now closed. I had the same thing on the other side. So yep, same thing. They have resewn all of that, and ultimately these are great. I mean, that is absolutely fantastic. They have taken a good look over. I did have some loose threads up top as well. Let's see. They didn't go back and fix that, but I didn't identify that as a problem. I don't expect them to inspect the whole garment. When you do send it off, you do fill out a form to indicate what exactly is wrong. That wasn't a big area of concern for me for the straps, but naturally the chamois was, and they've done a great job. Like I said, you can see these are well worn. Now the great thing is with the holes and with the chamois coming out, if these hadn't gotten repaired, they would have likely ended up in the bin or on the trainer, and that would have kind of been the end to this. But I think they've really done a good job and put some life back into these bibs. So there you go. That's my experience with Rapha's Repair Service. I have to say that I am satisfied with what they have done with my bib shorts. It's going to extend their lives that much longer. I will probably get a year, maybe two out of them. And that is great. Again, if I hadn't have done this with the holes and the way the chamois was coming apart, I would have had to just chuck them in the bin. And as far as sustainability goes, I think that is a great approach towards clothing. And I appreciate that Rapha pays for the shipping back and that they do this service free of charge. So for me, that is added value on top of the bib shorts themselves. So what already lasted a good 2 years of solid riding. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button so you get notifications. And until next time, see ya.